We have here their boob tape, and this is the complexion that I have, and then they also have pasties. Now, the pasties are a little bit lighter, but I think I prefer those. I think this will play off a little bit better because it's a little bit lighter, so it'll really conceal under the white shirt. So, what I'm going to do here is probably back up some so you can see what I'm working with here. And yes, I know, not much. So you see, this is my cleavage, and I'm going to take this tape here and use it to lift and push. So that way this boob can go up and in to give me the appearance of going from a B cup to a C. So how am I going to do that, you ask? Let me stand up, see if I can give you a better view. I'm going to take this tape and pull it up this way, and then take another piece and then pull it this way. That is how we're going to do that. So let me cut it because right now it is really wide, so you can get a better idea of what I'm talking about. So I cut it with some regular shears, and now you do not need, unless you're just blessed to be that thick, you do not need, you can take one slice and work it together. So again, we'll take this piece, use it to push up, and then this piece here, we'll attach it to this one, but also bringing it this way, but in a direction that it doesn't show through the blazer. So let me do that off camera because I don't have time for the games. And I'll come back to you and I'll show you the comparison between this side and this side. We're back. So now you can see here, you can already see the indentation from this, from just that lift and that push. Okay, that's the difference between that side and this side. See, there's no like, now I do have a natural curve, but it's just not as, like, look at how that would be if I pulled them together. This could actually be lifted. Look at how much more if I lift that up. Hello, boob job. But no, we're just sitting nice and pretty. So we're just bring this over, and then they could be twinsies. This like just looks so much fuller with this on. It looks so much fuller. Like, look at all that it gives you. I know people like sometimes contour their chest, and like this helps eliminate that. You can just bring it together and give you, just because sometimes you want to have that like nice flattering look that even if it's not like too much, even if you just brought it in a little bit, like just to give you that line, or you can bring it in just as much as the other one. Look at that. Hello, Dolly. That looks quite nice. Okay. Hello, I'm every woman. Very nice. Very cute. I think if you instantly get that curvage right there here, so I really love that part of it, because like, let's just say I wanted to wear this blazer out and just wear it just as is with some nice high-waisted jeans that would probably come up to like right here, and just leave it out just like this. This side is just flatter, so it's not as flattering as the pokage. Let's be real, okay? So yes, this tape, I really love it a lot. I think that it is super soft to the skin. Like, you can legitimately take it, put it on, and peel it right off. And once you do that, once it comes in contact with the skin, it is no longer sticky. This is super duper soft on the body and on the skin. And what I love about it is there are grooves within the other side, so to help you like pull it along and like lift. So I really love that part. And now to talk about their pasties, which I mentioned before, I really love these because they are a softer color compared to the Skims. If you can get this here to mirror this adhesiveness, you will have a product that no one can defeat, because these little things right here, they are so bomb. They open like in a circle, and then you just put them right on where you need to cover. These are so good. I wish they sold these separately because I would buy trillions of these. I love these here. These little pasties, love them to death. So I think that this is a really great buy, and for the price that you would pay for just one roll of Skims, they have a bundle, and it's on sale right now. You get 2 rolls and the 12 pasties. Bye!